Kinley, where we going?
To the stadium.
What stadium?
The football one.
For who?
Alabama.
Love going to Bama games, but this is the bad part of it. Sitting in traffic on the way home. Joy.